Attention solar retailers. Are you ready to take your solar business to the next level? Tired of spending on expensive marketing campaigns that may not guarantee results? Well, we have a game-changing solution for you. Join Airbid, the ultimate solar marketplace. Here's how it works. Customers post their solar projects for free. As a registered solar retailer, you'll receive notifications about projects in your area. You can bid on these projects for free, showcasing your expertise and competitive pricing. Stand out from the competition and win projects that match your skills. And the best part? It's completely free to register and free to bid. Airbid, where opportunities shine for solar retailers. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to grow your solar business. Join Airbid today. Visit airbid.com.au and sign up now. But that's not all. Airbid is your one-stop solution for all your solar needs. As a solar retailer, you can also post installation projects on Airbid. Connect with a network of qualified installers, all in one place. Receive bids from experienced installers eager to work with you. Choose the installer that best suits your project requirements. No more searching for installers or worrying about quality, we've got you covered. It's all part of Airbid's mission to make your solar business journey smoother and more efficient. Airbid, where solar retailers find everything they need. Join Airbid today and streamline your solar business like never before. Visit airbid.com.au now and register as a solar retailer. Start finding the best installers and winning projects today.